Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature one of the biggest it girl hairstyles of 2023, and that is the Bixie haircut. This is a haircut that is inspired by the 90s rom-com movies, and it is a great haircut that infuses elements of both the bob and the pixie haircut. If you are thinking of going shorter, but you want to keep a little bit of length, the Bixie is the best hairstyle that you can try out. So if you are dreaming of your next hairstyle change, I hope that this video does inspire you with these Bixie haircut ideas. Leave me in the comments below which look was your favorite. And if you do feel inspired by any of these haircuts, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at some of the most popular ways that you can wear a Bixie.